Hey, are you learning how to DJ from other DJs? Are you? And when you do, and when you talk about maybe taking classes or learning from other DJs, how do you choose who you're going to learn from? Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I know I'm leaning in here, but I need to ask a question because I've been hearing this a lot. How do you choose that? Because the only thing I've been hearing from some people is they won't take classes from certain DJs out there doing stuff. And I'm not talking about me. People, they take advantage of my service. And if they don't, I'm okay with that. But what I'm hearing is the number one thing I'm saying, he's too old. I don't want to learn from somebody that old. I mean, come on. Why would you learn from somebody who's that old? Really? Are you kidding me? Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thank you for all your comments, and thanks for watching the show, and thanks for sharing the show, and thank you for subscribing and telling your friends to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you to my sponsors, Electro Voice, Promo Only, DJ Event Planner, DJ and TV, and of course the Entertainment Experience Workshop, which is what I teach. Okay. But I'm not worried about that. What I'm worried about is the statement that somebody's too old to learn from. Really? Who do you want to learn from? The guy that doesn't have any experiences? The guy who looks cool on the mic? The guy who's got the good DJ gig at the club but doesn't know a thing because he's been doing this for 2 years? That's the guy you want to learn from? I mean, I'm okay with that. But when I learned how to do radio, I didn't go find the guy who's been in radio for a year. I went and found the veterans, the guys who have been doing it for a long time. And there's a lot of guys right now that have been doing this a long time or did this for years and years and have lots of knowledge to be able to show you, to be able to jump you past where you were. Jump you faster and farther than where you are. Quicker than we got there. Yet you'd rather learn on your own and pay somebody who's been doing this a couple of years? A guy who's decided that he's a teacher and he's only been teaching for a year? I'm sure they're fine. But why is that the reason? Why is it you'd rather learn from the young guy, not the old guy? The old guy's got more for you. The old guy can teach you more. The old guy's got experience and has made the mistakes, and you want to learn from the guy who's made the mistakes. Lots of mistakes, huge mistakes, unbelievably enormous mistakes, and is willing to tell you the mistakes he made so you don't make them. Why aren't you going out and doing that? Why aren't you talking to him? Why are you talking to the youngsters? They haven't made any mistakes yet. They just look cool. And if what you're looking to do is to look cool, you don't need to even learn from a DJ. Pick up Instagram. There's a lot of cool. Just copy it, okay? You can get mixes to make you look good without even knowing how to DJ. And you don't have to do anything. And you'll look good. You'll look young. You'll look cool, but you're not going to learn anything. And if you really want to do this for a certain amount of time, you want to learn. And who do you learn from? You don't learn from the kids. You learn from the old guys. And I'm like 28 years old, man. I've been around. You could learn a lot from me. I'm not talking about me. I'm answering this question that I saw online. I don't know if I should learn from that guy. He's too old. Oh, my gosh. He's exactly who you should learn from. The old guy, because he's got way more for you and your money will be better spent. I know people disagree with this. I'd love to hear how you make an argument from learning from somebody who's got 5 years experience over to somebody who's got 30 years experience. Put it in the comments below. Tell me you agree. Tell me you don't. I'm okay with that. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'm going to take my 27-year-old body over here and maybe learn from somebody who's 23. What do you think?